Hi, my name is Michaela, and I'm going to show you what I made at Arabella's birthday party. I made this little treasure box, and I pretend this is treasure, and I like it because some people thought it was real, but I'm like, no, but I wish. And I put my 2 initials in, B for Michaela Brown, but I couldn't find any J, because Jaden used that one, because her name starts with a J. And I like these little gems that are around it and the glitter. Any questions? Yes.
You ever buried it?
No. Yes, there. Yes, Daniel? Yes. Yes, Daniel?
Okay, this is a bad question.
All right. Have someone else like to ask a question? Any other
Yes,
question?
Eliza.
Eliza, speak up.
Any other questions? Any other yes, Roland?
Have you ever buried it and made a treasure map to find it?
No. Any other questions?
All right.
Yes.
Great. Last question. Great presentation, Michaela.
Do you have anything that's actually treasure?
No.
No.
Will you ever have anything?
Great presentation, Michaela. All right. Val. Yeah, Eliza did. Eliza gave her words of encouragement.
Do you want me to stand?
Yeah, you need, yes. Where? Over there. It's fine.
I just don't want to show this.
Huh?
It's kind of hard because I have like this.
Well, you can show the picture of him. Go ahead. Give your presentation. You can show the picture.
Hello, my name is Val, and I would like to talk about Copernicus. He was born in Turin, Poland on February 19th in 1473. His job was an astronomer. He studied stars and planets. He was the first person to state that Earth and planets and travel around the sun. But before that, people believed that the stars and the planets traveled around the Earth. Copernicus also believed that Earth spins on its center, and he put all his ideas in a book, and died on May 24th. Any questions? Yes.
He was a famous player, right? Why is that famous?
No, he wasn't. He was a famous scientist.
Oh.
Ask your audience any other questions?
Any other questions?
Any other questions?
Yes, Eliza. Thank you. Yes, Roland.
Can you spell his name?
Well, I did, but I can't do it without looking.
Yeah.
Yes, Stanley. No. Yes, Marie.
Can you show us the picture of him?
Yes.
The drawing? Any other questions for Val?
I have one.
Okay. Okay.
Why did you want to talk about this? Because he was in history sentence.
Your presentation, Val.
Oh, yes, Eliza.
Oh, did you have one more thing you want to say? No? All right. Great job, Val. Oh, Roland has one more question for you.
Are all you sisters sister's going to do all 4 people in that history song.
No.
No, but that's a good question. I didn't even realize that. All right, go ahead, Arabella.
I'm going to do goose rhymes, except I forgot what. I'm going to say some big goose rhymes, except I forgot what. I guess
Well, speak up. You have to speak nice and loud.
okay.
Could you introduce yourself, please?
Oh, well, my name's Arabella, and today I'm going to say 2 mother goose rhymes. Unless I remember the other one. Jack and Jill went up a hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got, and off he trot as fast as he could caper to old Dame Bob, who patched his knob with vinegar and brown paper. And then there was an old lady who lived in a shoe. She had so many children she didn't know what to do. She gave them some broth without any bread, and kissed them all soundly and put them to bed. There's another one.
This-
Are there any questions? Yes.
What's your favorite Mother Goose line?
I don't know.
Are you trying to remember?
Yeah,
That's okay. Just answer this question.
I don't know. Yes.
How many very red ones are?
Hello, Danny. I don't know. There's the book. Yes.
How long ago did you memorize those nursery rhymes?
I kind of tried to memorize them today because I needed a presentation.
But you've probably known those a long time, haven't you? Or at least the beginning of Jack and Jill and Old Mother Hubbard. Are those your favorite Mother Goose rhymes? Are you
The one that I forgot.
the one you forgot is your
I
favorite?
forget one where it's Mary had a pretty bird, feathers bright and yellow, and I forgot the one word.
Yeah. Great, you did a great job. Any other questions for Arabella? Great presentation. All right.
Oh no, there's sparkles.
Well, there are.
It's going to balance my card.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Olivia, and I would like to talk about Johannes Brahms. He was born in Hamburg, Germany. Wait, wasn't it Hamburg?
Hamburg.
wasn't
Very
Hamburg.
good.
In 1833, and
Speak up.
this year, slavery was abolished in Great Britain, and there was technology and social change, and electric telegraph was invented in 1833. When he was young, he studied piano, music theory, and composition, and when he was a teenager, he supported his family by playing for sailors in their dance halls and taverns, and that is called a music scholar. He loved history and literature and edited classical composition. He liked to travel and loved nature. He supported young composers. He composed during the Romantic era and used contrasting rhythms and phrases and irregular length and warm, dark tones in his music. He was considered one of the best songwriters of the 19th century, and he was incorporated folk tunes and words to his music. He was influenced by Schubert, and Schubert also admired him, and he died in Vienna in 1897. I like
Well, and he drew from biblical texts, and I like him because I like how his music has contrasting rhythms and phrases. Any questions? Oh, and here's a picture of him.
What's your favorite thing about him?
Well, my favorite thing about him is I like his music and the rhythm of it. But my least favorite thing about him is he's probably not squishy. Any other questions? Any other questions?
Any other questions for Olivia? How about a word of encouragement?
I have
Oh.
not really a question.
You have a question?
Yes,
Why do you want him to be squishy?
Oh, because squishy things are nice, like this. That's wrong.
Why do you like squishy?
It's a very nice adjective. Oh, and I got it from Mad Libs. I started playing Mad Libs, and then one time I decided to pick the adjective squishy, and I sat in the back seat next to my squishy sister, and that's how it all started.
All right. Any other questions about Brahms?
Any other questions about Brahms?
Right. Excellent presentation, Olivia. Oh,
Yes, Dan.
one more question, Danny.
What's a Brahms?
Brahms. Johannes Brahms. This is his name. It's just his name. All right. Great presentation. She spoke clearly. You did speak very clearly. All right. Great presentation, Olivia. Let's give an applause. All right. Eliza.
And I'm going to talk about a tiger. I got it from Rollins. Gave him to me for Valentine's Day. And now my presentation is the questions.
How did Rollins get him?
Got it from Danny. No. Danny gave it to Rollins and then I gave it to Rollins. And then it's funny, I mean, that's stuff and Danny gave it to Rollins and Rollins got it and then Rollins gave it to me. Any more questions? Danny? Funny.
That is funny, isn't it? I'm glad you didn't get hurt.
I closed my ear.
Where's Rollins?
I already said. You gave it to Bella. Bella gave it to Ron.
Where did I get it?
You got him some alien friend. And you were getting rid of some stuff.
Does he have a name?
His name's Tygon.
Tiger?
Tygon.
It's
Tygon.
Shere Khan. It's not Shere Khan.
Tygon.
It is Shere Khan.
Tygon. All right. Any last questions for Eliza? All right. Great job, Eliza. Any words of encouragement for Eliza? She goes back to her seat.
Sit up tall and spoke clearly.
All right.
Okay.
Elise. Shh, Sabina. Go ahead, Go ahead. Go ahead, Elise. Elise is the last one.
Yeah.
Are you all relaxed? Yeah?
I can't play.
I'm going to listen to music.
That is not it.
Hmm?
If you can use
Oh, Elise. Do you have it? Okay. Don't scratch your eye.
Okay.
How will that help? Just right here. Give your dad some water. Drink some water. Want me to hold this? Okay.
Yes. That fold it, please. Wait. I'm gonna fold it the other way so
Okay.
he sees it.
I saw it.
All right.
It doesn't matter if you saw it.
Okay.
Of course you saw it Monday. No, I didn't. I saw it right now.
All right. Shh. Not helpful. Okay. Let's go.
Hi, my name's Elise, and I would like to talk about. I am 7, and I would like to talk about Ronald Reagan. He was born in February 6th, 1911, and he died on June 5th, 2004. And he was the 40th president of the United States. Then these long 2 words.
Okay. Conservative and communist. From our song. He was anti-communist.
He was wait. First,
He
was a conservative and an anti-communist, and he was the only movie actor to be a president. And that his nickname was the Great Communicator because he was great at speaking. And then my favorite, well, it's not my favorite story. It's just an interesting story I learned from a piece of paper. Was that in 1981, John Hinckley Jr. fired six shots. One to his chest, and one hit him an inch from his heart.
But he continued
But he continued his life
as president.
So he stayed alive.
Mm-hmm.
Any questions? Yes, Danny.
Did you know that there's a ton of people that are good at speaking?
Yeah. I don't think that was
Eliza has a question. Elise.
Yes, Eliza. Under the chair. You spoke clearly at the end of the church. And you stood tall. You spoke normal.
You have questions? Oh, Danny has a question.
Yes, Danny.
We need Jones for one thing. She's good at speaking, but terrible at keeping secrets.
And did you want to show, Elise, did you want to show your pictures?
Oh, yeah, and then two pictures. One, this is him talking. And then here's him and his wife in a car.
Any other questions for Elise? Oh, last.
Yes, Olivia.
You did a very good job on collecting information and then putting it into a presentation.
Cute.
And Danny?
Yes.